Morning students. Coming to this next concept, arithmetic operations with significant figures. So only two rules are there, very simple rules. Listen carefully. Arithmetic operations means addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So four arithmetic operations. Of course, if you are writing competitive exams, one more rule is there, that is another thing, leave it. So see here, using significant figures, how we will do these arithmetic operations. So here the first rule is, so there is a common rule for addition and subtraction. For addition and subtraction there is a common rule. What is that common rule? I will tell you. Rule is just one line, but implementation you have to understand. What is that? Using significant figures, if you are adding or subtracting, so answer must consist of least number of digits after decimal. Least number of digits after decimal as per the given numerical. Statement is only one line like this, but implementation you have to understand. Answer must consist of least number of digits after decimal as per the given numerical. So what is this given numerical? I will tell you best example, you will understand. So find 1.03, 1.035, it is in the notebook, with due to significant figures. So this is the question they are asking. So how to solve this question? This is addition, very simple. So 1.03, it has 2 digits after decimal. These are the 2 digits. 1.035, it has 3 digits after decimal. 3 digits after decimal. So here least number of digits are 2. So what I am saying, as per this rule, answer must have 2 digits only. Answer must have 2 digits after decimal. So this is the given, I am saying na given numerical. This is the given numerical, these two. This is the lowest number of digits. Answer also must consist of lowest number of digits. So what we have to do? First, normally you can add them. This is 5, 6, 0, 2 point, this thing. Here after decimal I need only 2 digits na. So here how many digits are there? 3 digits are there. So these two must be there. This one I don't want. So I want to remove this 5. But previous class I told you rounding off. The digit to be dropped is 5. The preceding is even. It should not be change anything. So finally 2.06. The digit to be dropped is 5. The preceding is even. So don't change it. Don't write 0 also. Leave it. This is your answer. So final answer is 2.06. So this is your final answer. So this is the way of finding addition. Similarly, subtraction also same model. Subtraction also same model. So fastly I will write one more example. Suppose 12.4 minus 1.36 like this. So here after decimal 1 digit is there. After decimal 2 digits are there. Just subtract normally. 12.4, 1.36. Subtract. Here 0 hota hai. So this is 4, 0. This is 2 minus 1, 1. Nearly. After decimal you need only 1 digit here. So 4 must be dropped. It is less than 5. Don't change anything. Your answer is 11.0. So like this. So this is the way of finding addition and subtraction. Least number of digits after decimal. Coming to this second rule. Multiplication and division. ये दोनों के लिए सेम रूल होता है. मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड डिवीजन. इसमें क्या है रूल? आंसर मस्ट कंसिस्ट ऑफ Answer must consists of. Answer must consists of. Listen carefully. Least number of significant figures. Least number of significant figures. Significant figures. Least number of significant figures after decimal. After decimal, remember this thing. Least number of significant figures after decimal. This is a sentence you have to understand. For example, you can see, very easy, you can understand. So many questions are there on the base of this thing. So I am multiplying 2.31 into 1.2. Suppose 2.31 multiplied with 1.2. Listen carefully. 2.31 multiplied with 1.2. This is the question. Marker is not working. So this is the question. So here, how many significant figures are here? It consists of two significant figures. It consists of two significant figures. See. Listen carefully. 2.31 multiplied with 1.2. So this one I have to find. So इसमें if you see here two significant figures, here three significant figures. So just multiply normally 2.31 into 1.2. Okay na? So 264 134 132. Normally you can multiply 132 2772. So this is 2.772. But as per the rule, answer must consist of least number of significant figures. Here how many least number of significant figures? 2. So here also two significant figures होना चाहिए. 2 and 7, these two are significant. This is 7 and 2, these are not significant. So if you delete this 7, automatically 2 also it will go. So this 7 you have to delete. You have to remove. It is more than 5. So preceding is increased by 1. In the last class I told you rounding off. So finally your answer is 2.8. So in the given number 2 digits are there, answer also 2 digits are there. So this is the process. So remember this thing. Okay. So multiplication like this. Division also same model. Division mein you will get so many questions, very good questions. I am going to give some numerical questions which are in the textbook also. What is that question? I will show you one simplest question. Division mein. So mass of a solid is 1.2. Sorry. Volume 1.2 centimeter cube. Mass is 5.74 gram. It is the notebook also, textbook exercise. They are asking find density with due significant figures, using significant figures. Volume and mass given, they are asking density. So how to find? Very simple. So density is equal to mass by volume. So indirectly it is nothing but division. So here mass 5.74 gram, volume 1.2 centimeter cube. So it has three significant figures. It has two significant figures. As per this rule, answer must consist of minimum number of significant figures 2. So divide density is equal to mass means 5.74, volume means 1.2. So normally you can divide this thing. Normally if you divide this thing, how much you will get? 4.7833. So I have to do approximation. I need only two significant figures. So I want to approximate this thing. 4 must be there, 7 must be there, this 8 and 3 they don't want. If you delete 8, automatically sorry it will goes. So 8 means it is more than 5. So preceding must be raised by 1. 8 means 4 more than 5, preceding must be increased by 1. So this is 4.8 gram per centimeter cube. So this is the way of finding density. So many questions are there like this. Go through these questions. Okay. And in our notebook also I explained so many very good numerical questions. So after the lesson is over, some exercise questions also I explained. So we will discuss those questions also today. Okay na? Listen carefully. We will discuss those questions also. Clear? Right.